This is the cake. So this is half cup of sugar. This is my 1 cup of semolina. We're making it fast so that I will not waste your data. I have my 3 eggs here. This is my liquid butter. You can also use oil. It all depends on you. Yeah. A pinch of salt. This is vanilla powder, vanilla essence. Any quantity you would love to add, it all depends on you. Drop of vinegar. Why I added the vinegar is because of the egg. Yeah, because of the egg, that's why I added vinegar. So I'm mixing them. I'm adding evaporated milk. This is my milk powder. You want it to become so rich. Yeah. When it comes to bidana waka doing my own style of cooking, my own style of creating. Yeah. So we are mixing all them together. If you cannot feel comfortable using something like this, I can use machine. Yeah, laziness I didn't use machine. Ingredient is cream. Yeah, so let's mix this. We are mixing this one too. Our cake will be so creamy, so rich and delicious, yummy, and all kinds of taste. Because the way I'm cooking this, it's giving. I'm adding a drop of fresh yogurt. Yeah. The quantity you want to add, it all depends on you. Yeah, you check the quantity you want to cook. If 1 portion, you should know the quantity. You know me, I don't know how to measure. But I will give you the ingredient on the description box so that I will give you the 1 portion ingredient for you to try. But me, when I'm cooking, I don't measure. I just know the quantity, so I just create my own measurement. I'm adding my dry coconut powder. Let's mix this one slow by slow. So the next is baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we mix, then put it in the oven. So I'm greasing my pan. Life just gives you time and space. It's up to you to fill it. The ultimate measure of man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at the times of challenge and controversy. There comes a time when you have to choose between turning the page and closing the book. Enjoy the vibe. Four things that can never be recovered: the stone after it's thrown, the word after it's spoken, the occasion after it's missed, and the time after it's gone. The best thing about the worst time of your life is that you get to see the true colors of everyone you care for. Enjoy the vibes. So this is milk here and sugar. This is cardamom. This is saffron. We'll boil it for 10 minutes. I want the sugar and everything to melt. So 10 minutes, then we'll close it and we'll top on the top of our cake. The thing don't want to come up. So this is our cake. That's milk, yeah. You can see that the thing is, giving. See? So rich. I love it. Ikemo, Ikemo, Ezemo, Ezemo. You are God of power. Ikemo, Ikemo. You never lies defeat. How can I describe you, Jehovah? Infinity time. Don't waste time on jealousy. Jealousy is an endless vicious circle. Someone will always have something you want, and you will always have something someone's. I used to say that time is like a river. You can't touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Please watch full video for me. Thank you. I love you.